Hi, I'm Dr. Neuhaus, owner of Neuhaus Foot and Ankle. I've been in practice for 20 years, and Neuhaus Foot and Ankle has been serving Middle Tennessee for 15 years. I've realized that people have a lot of questions about inserts in their shoes. This is a typical insert that comes in a running shoe. I have a Mizuno running shoe. It's relatively new. This is the insert that came with the shoe. Very flimsy, not a lot of support, not a lot of cushion. You can do that with the insert that's in there. So what do people do? They go buy an over-the-counter insert, or the shoe store sells them an insert like this. This is a real popular brand, Power Step. You can buy it off the internet. You can buy it in doctor's offices, buy it in shoe stores. This is much better. It's more stiff. It's got some cushion in the heel. It's got added thickness on the ball of the foot. When you compare that to what comes with the shoe, you can see why people want this. People know that they need extra support, but this doesn't work for everybody. That insert is good for maybe 75–80% of people that have some discomfort. That's at least what the statistics show and the research shows. A lot of people need a custom-made orthotic. This is a new 3D printed custom orthotic. It's got some flexibility to it, but it also has stiffness to it. Has some cushioning. The new custom orthotics are so much better than the inserts that come with the shoes. They're better than the over-the-counter inserts that you get because those are generic. They're not made to fit your foot. They're made to fit an average foot, which most of us are not. A lot of people have one size perhaps a little bit bigger than the other. Maybe somebody's arch is a little higher. Someone's got a bunion. Someone's got a little inflammation. There's different things that go into everybody's feet, and that's where a custom orthotic comes in. So if you have any sort of foot pain at all, most of the times that can be corrected with a custom foot orthotic. And now we have this new 3D printed technology that we can offer you, which takes it to a whole nother level. These orthotics will fit like a glove. They're fantastic, and they're completely different than what comes with the shoe.